Hey guys, so I put up a story on Instagram asking whether I should do an unboxing of the gifts that I received, and many of you have said yes. In fact, more than 90% of the people have said yes. So here it is, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first gift is from Aeropostale. It came with a top, a card, and this cupcakes. I don't know, let me just unbox this. It's for their second anniversary in India. So this is the cupcake, so cute. Thank you so much, Aeropostale, for the cupcakes, the note, and the lovely top. And the next one is from SugarBox. It came with a note as well. Dear Aien, hope you like this little teaser to our upcoming edition with Nisha Lula, Team SugarBox. And this is such a cute box. And inside the box we have this cute unicorn keychain. Wait 1 second. Can you see it? And with a personalized name tag. Aien. Where is it? Thank you, SugarBox. And the next one's from Organic India. My address is here. This one is for an invitation they sent me which got cancelled. It's gonna happen on 23rd of this one, and I think I might attend that event. So they send this organic honey and tulsi green tea. So thank you, Organic India. And the next one's from Amante for their 10th anniversary. They sent me quite a lot of stuff. There's a note, there's a lookbook, and then of course the note, and this lovely lingerie nightie, and there was champagne and chocolates, which we finished it, so I couldn't show you guys that one. And the next one is from Glam Glow. So I was really excited about this brand because I've heard a lot about this. And then also it came with a note, and then what is this? This is a Glam Glow Clearing Treatment Mask. And then the next one is Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. And the next one is Glam Glow Brightening Treatment. So yeah, thank you so much, Glam Glow. And then the next ones. Also, I'd like to mention that some of the gifts are old, but just that I haven't used them yet. So I thought I'll just combine everything together and then do the unboxing. And the next one is from Mina. I've done a video for them for their launch. For their launch in India, and then as a thank you gesture, they've sent me these stuffs. They have the card and some fun sketches, and then some words, and then inside this box we have these stuffs. Can you see it? And let's see, the first one is the blush. So cute. And then the next one is the metallic eyeshadow. I don't have this palette, so I think it's gonna be fun. And the next one is nail polish. And then the next one is matte lipstick. Which is this one? It's a, can you see? Yeah. And then the next one is chubby lipstick. Oh, that's so cute. My type of color. And then the last one is the pen eyeliner. Oh, this is so good because I don't have an eye. I don't use eyeliner. I don't think you guys have seen me wearing one unless there's a shoot and some makeup artist doing it for me. Otherwise, I don't do it. So this is gonna be the pen eyeliner. This should be fun. So thank you so much, Mina. And the next one, which one should I do? Okay. So came with this lovely pouch. With a lookbook and some of this stuff. I don't know what should I do with this. And inside the pouch we have its lid. Inside this pouch we have, what is this? Spotlight Gold Palette Illuminator. Oh, nice. This palette. And then the next one is, what is this? Oh, it's a lip gloss. The palette color is mauve scarf. Should I do a swatch? 1 second. Wow, this is so good. Can you see it? It's metallic. So first, and then the next one is the Photo Finish Primer Water. So thank you so much. And then the next one, let me do BobbiBrown. I got some. Okay, this one was for the recent event that I went for the Lip Crush launch at Select City Walk. I went with Shreya, and this is what we got. Like, so we got these lipsticks and some candies. I still have Shreya's lipstick with me, so I have to give it to her. So let me show you the palette that I got. So this is the palette. It's so subtle and nice. I am sure it's nice. I tried some other color at the store, but yeah. And the next one is from ShiaRai. So the fun thing is, I'm collaborating with Shia for a giveaway, so that's gonna be up soon. So I hope you guys participate. So this is what she gave me. So thank you so much, Shia. I'm gonna tag you after I wear this. So OOTT coming up soon. And the next one is from Palmer's. It's so heavy, guys, because they sent me quite a lot of stuff. First one is the skin therapy oil, and the next one is olive oil body lotion, and the next one is again, oh wait, what's a small and a big one? Oh, again the same skin therapy oil, bigger version of that. And then the next one is, oh, this one, this both are for body, And this one is the newly launched one for the face. I'm so eager to try this product because I've heard a great deal about this product. So yeah, I'm gonna review about this product. And then the next one is foaming butter. I've used this and it's really good. It really helps. I mean, just and which one did I use? Yeah, I think it's this one. This is really good for stretch marks and scars and all that. It really lightens up the marks, so this is great for that. And then the next one is again body lotion, Rosia, and the other one is for the heels. I use the lotion version of it, so I haven't used this one yet, so hopefully this is nice too. So thank you so much, Palmers. Next one is from M.A.C. So even they have sent me quite a lot of stuff. I think this one is from their retro matte liquid lip color. Yeah, that is from that collection, and they sent me quite a lot of stuff. So they sent me this and these lipsticks, matte lipsticks. Oh god, wait, I'll show you all the color. There's purple, there's nude, two different types of nude, there's red, and there's brown. I think it's brown, no, it's purple. So yeah, and what is this? This prep and prime. I did not know they come in this size. Oh. So thank you so much, M.A.C. And the next one is so this one I got this from Biotique just today. So this is heavy. It's from Biotique. And what I got quite a lot of stuff. So first one is refreshing foaming face wash, honey gel. And then next one is almond oil body soap. Next one is massage cream, Biotique. And then the next one is Bio anti-blemishes face pack. And then the next one is hydrating cleanser. This looks fun. And then the next one is body nourisher. And the next one is body massage oil. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and leave a comment. And I'm planning to do such similar videos because I keep getting gifts and stuff, and sometimes even the invite comes with a gift. So I'm planning to collect them for a week or two and then make an unboxing video. And also I'm really sorry for my voice. I'm not feeling that well and I'm a little under the weather. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.